Hello, thanks for tuning in again to the Daily Message. Yesterday, we looked at the first of the three things that Jesus and our tradition have asked us to do during Lent, the fasting. Today, on Monday, we look at almsgiving. On Ash Wednesday, Jesus said, when you give the alms, don't blow a trumpet and don't do it for everybody else to see. Do it in the intimacy of your relationship with your God. But the beautiful thing about the almsgiving reading today is that it's that last discourse of Jesus in the Gospel of Matthew. Right at the end of Matthew's Gospel, before Jesus leaves us in a physical form, he gives us this wonderful statement about what we do to each other, about feeding the hungry, giving drink to the thirsty, clothing the naked, visiting the imprisoned, burying the dead, taking care of the sick, all those things that we've kind of come to see as the corporal or spiritual works of mercy. And that's the almsgiving. Almsgiving gets us in touch with other people. When I talked about fasting, I said fasting gets us in touch with ourself and our own humanity, but in doing it, it also gets us in touch with others. But once we go to almsgiving, that gets us in touch with the needs of others. That Lent is not just about ourselves. It's about doing good for other people. And even sometimes with our fasting, we can do that for other people. For instance, giving up alcohol for the person who can't give it up. Giving up food for someone who seems addicted to food. All the things we do for others are included in the almsgiving. Tomorrow we'll talk about how prayer gets us in touch with our God. Thank you.